Optimize your endpoint adjudication trials with Medidata Adjudicate. An efficient clinical event committee, CEC, is important to reduce variability in adjudication assessments and to ensure the best outcomes are collected for your trial. The industry faces many challenges that can prevent critical events from being adjudicated in a timely manner, such as legacy manual processes, the need for document and image de-identification, the lack of visibility into event status, and long implementation times. The lack of visibility and control, disconnected processes, and disparate datasets can even lead to compliance concerns, especially when you're not able to easily track where events are in the process and verify that every event has been accounted for. Having the right endpoint adjudication technology allows you to trace every aspect of the event, from collection, de-identification, and dossier aggregation to committee review and management, giving you control and visibility of all your adjudication events. Medidata addresses these key needs with our new solution, Medidata Adjudicate, designed with all key stakeholders in mind. Medidata Adjudicate offers a full, cloud-based, end-to-end solution with easily configurable modules enabling quick setup to manage endpoint adjudication in clinical trials. It supports investigator sites, sponsors, CROs, data managers, and the CEC in collecting, managing, organizing, adjudicating, and submitting clinical endpoint data. Here's how it works. Medidata Adjudicate is part of the Medidata Clinical Cloud, so users will be able to access Medidata Adjudicate by logging in through iMedidata. In addition, subjects entered in Rave EDC will be automatically populated in Adjudicate. Event information can also be pulled automatically from Rave EDC and presented in Adjudicate. The system can also be used standalone if you're not using Rave. Medidata Adjudicate can accept many data types to meet all your endpoint adjudication trial needs. The system can easily accept documents as well as medical images, all within the same platform. And built-in redaction tools for PHI and PII for both documents and images are available. Documents can be easily combined into a dossier. And our web-based PDF editing tools allow you to compile, organize, label, and add bookmarks to the dossier to meet your committee needs. Query management features allow users to communicate issues to sites or other users with the ability to predefine canned query text. Sites and other users can then log in and respond to queries, keeping all communication and issue resolution in one place. The platform can support any committee design, including double review with consensus. Committee members have access to a task pool that allows them to easily complete tasks and view their workload. The committee CRFs can be customized to fit your trial needs, including the ability to communicate important notes to the reader. The forms can also be configured to include criteria, reminders, and definitions. In addition, all data is auto-saved, so busy committee members never lose their work. All required workflow steps are grouped into tasks with a summary of assigned and completed cases, so users can easily see workloads and where events are at all times. Standard reports that can be generated on demand or automatically emailed are also available, so users can view the status of all events, as well as view the results of adjudicated outcomes. Custom reports are also available. Medidata Adjudicate gives you control of your study implementations on a unified platform and gives you flexibility to meet your trial needs, and it offers a simple, easy-to-use solution for your sites and event committee. Thank you.